Hello, I'm going to show you how to work a brioche left cross cable with a decrease. This cable involves 5 stitches. To start, I'm going to take stitch 1 and place it on my cable needle and hold it to the front of the work. Next, I'm going to slip stitches 2 and 3 together knitwise to the right needle, and then slip them one at a time back to the left needle through the front loop. Then I'm going to brioche knit, slip the next stitch with a yarn over, and I'm going to place stitch 1 back on the left needle from the cable needle. And I'm going to slip stitch 1 knitwise to the right needle. Next, I'm going to brioche knit stitches 4 and 5 together. And I'm going to pass stitch 1 over. And that gives you a left cross with a decrease.